So gears actuator for 1.4 diesel, 1.6, 1.8, 5-speed transmission, MMT Semi Automatic. What possible of reason of fault of this unit? Sometimes this can be gone. Sometimes this small nut can little loose, butterflies start moving, make problem. Sometimes the dust of brushes from motor make short circuit and we have trouble code P0910 or P0920. This, or also can be some problem with the shaft. Sometimes some of this nut also can be a little loose and it start moving and also making some problem. And one not frequent, it's only one time in 100 cars, sometimes very not a lot, the water may come inside this and the sensor can be frozen or something like this. So sometimes it also happens and we have a problem with the sensor. It stop moving, it's moving okay. Sometimes pin can be rust. Okay, so how to remove easy. We have 6 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 3 from this side, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now how to install it back? How? What the position of this unit must be? Okay, so it's very easy, really. It's not complicated. Like we have on this gear, we have 2 marks. We can move it by screwdriver, like a motor. Oh. You see? We have this mark for this actuator. This mark must be to this one. So let's move it. Yeah, how to do it? Oh, yeah, you see, now it's free. Yes, this mark number 1. Okay, this to this one. Now I'm going to the middle. Wait. This gear, it's no matter. It's fully symmetrical. It's no matter where is this located. This is no matter, and this no matter. Only this must be to this one. Okay, and now this is the first and second. We have also second the plastic white gear inside, and it also must be. So inside this plastic gear, you see. For this butterfly, oh, it's moving. Oh, So on this gear, this first tooth first must engage to this place. How to do it? Very easy, very. The shaft can be go inside only on one position. You see, it's miss one tooth, so I'm going inside. I'm using two hands. This I'm moving like this. You see it with the spring, and this. So I'm moving. See, this must engage to the shaft. Let's try first engage the shaft. Where it must be, not it must be on this. Oh, you see, but this on freeway. This common mistake for everyone. Now I'm removing the shaft. And what I do, you see, I'm moving it. I move it. Hop! First attempt, and it's engaged on right place. I'm moving to the end, and where it must be. Take the screwdriver. You see, even better to take knife. Only this position will work. Only this. And when I'm moving, if I will move the shaft more, it will came out in the wheel on freeway again. You see? In this position it's not moving. That's all. This one and this another one. Let's check again this one. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, yes, it's okay. So now I need to put these gear actuators to the neutral state, because otherwise it will not engage to the gearbox. How to do it? This is the neutral state. This for neutral sensor. So this is the neutral sensor, and after that, after neutral sensor, we have stopper. We need to remove them. And what happens? You see how it working? This unit push the neutral sensor in neutral state. It make short circuit and make permission to start the engine. That's all. If engine not start, it says that on neutral sensor not working, or it's not on the neutral. Like this. It means this is the neutral state. In this position we can install it. But let's install the sensors. How to do it? This sensor, it's no problem. In 1.6 and I think 1.8 we have this position, but in Yaris diesel we have not this, like this position. You see, we have these holes and these holes, and in Yaris diesel this little different, but it's no problem. You do the same algorithm. The sensor has spring and it must be under the spring. So it's moving back. It's under the spring. Yes? Yes. I can. I forgot something. Also, what we need to do. It's very important, very. Oh, you see, I put it some grease that the water will not go inside. Yeah. Need to little tight these small nuts. Look at this. I'm hold full the gears, and you will see it will little tight, be to tighten. Look at this. You see? Yes. And also this one, but only by hand. Yes. Now it's ready to install. No, not ready. Ready to install the sensors. And once again, I'm doing this going to this side. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now another sensor. How to install it? It also very easy, very. In this state, it's not possible. You see? It must be also under the spring, but it's not under the spring. And what we need to do? We need to move the shaft, but be careful that the shaft will not go out from the white gear. So this, I think it's enough. And now, oh, I can install the sensor. Click. It say it's under the spring. Okay. Oh, you see it moving. It's moving by himself. Now it's ready. Okay, this done, this done. Now the motors. Okay, so when we removed the motors, the upper motor working more than bottom motor. So you see the difference. This was on the top and this was on the bottom. So what I will to do, it was like this. I will do like this. Sorry. The spring must be this way. Let's install first this. Okay. And now another one. Oh, understand that I will install all bolts. And now be careful that the shaft will not go out. You see, all ready. Now what need to do? The silicone spray and yes. Now the unit ready to install.